Hello.
Hello friends, welcome to today's video lesson. Our topic today is subject-verb agreement. So let's go right into the lesson. We'll start by explaining what a subject is. A subject is the person or the thing the sentence is about. So the person the sentence is about or the thing the sentence is about is the subject. Let's see an example. Alfred loves to play. Now this sentence is talking about someone. Who is the person? Alfred, exactly. So Alfred is the subject of the sentence because a subject is the person or the thing a sentence is about. So in this sentence we are talking about Alfred. It means Alfred is the subject of this sentence. Okay? Now what is a verb? A verb is an action word. Let's see examples of verbs. We have jump. It's an action word. You can see the girl is jumping. We have sing. Sing is an action word. The lady is singing. Run. Run is an action word. The boy is running. So a verb is an action word. So what do we mean by subject-verb agreement? It means that every subject must agree with a verb for a sentence to be correct. Alright? Meaning, if your subject is singular, your verb must be singular. The subject and the verb must agree. They must hold hands. They must agree for your sentence to be correct. So a singular subject must go with a singular verb. But how do I know a singular verb? A singular verb ends with an S or an ES. Good job, Miss Ngozi. So let's see an example. When you say jump, you can see we just have one girl jumping. We have a singular subject. So the verb must be singular. It must have an S or an ES. So in this case, you will have jumps. You will add S. The girl jumps every day. The girl jumps. She jumps. Favor jumps. Lucy jumps. Aisha jumps. The singular subject must go with the singular verb. And the singular verb must have S or ES added to it. Okay? Now let's see this other one. Sing. Mommy sings. You see, I added the S because our subject is singular. Okay? We just have one subject. And so your verb must have S or ES. But in this case, your verb will take an S. And the boy runs. You add S because your subject is singular. You just have one boy. Okay? So every singular subject must go with a singular verb. And singular verbs end with S or ES. Let's see this example. Abdul runs to school every day. Abdul runs to school every day. Now, how many subjects do we have here? One. Abdul is our subject. And the verb is run. But did you notice it has an S? Because the subject is singular. The verb must be singular. The verb must have an S or an ES. So it's Abdul runs to school every day. Let's see this other example. Rapunzel brushes her hair herself. Rapunzel brushes her hair herself. Now, how many subjects do we have? One. And who is the subject? Rapunzel. That's the person we are talking about. and the verb is brushes. If you notice, we added es because your subject is one. Your verb must either carry an s or an es. Is that clear? Good job. Now let's go to the second part. If your subject is plural, your verb must be plural. And plural means two or more items. So if you have two or more subjects, two or more people in your subject, the verb must be plural. So how do I know a plural verb? Plural verbs don't have s or es at the end. They don't carry s or es. It's a no-no. It's a no-no. So for every plural verb, there must be no s and no es. Okay? Let's see this example. Which of the sentences is correct? We eat dinner together, or we eat dinner together. Which is correct? First or the second? The first is a no-no because the verb eat has an s. Now, when you have plural subjects, when you have two or more subjects, alright, your verb must not have an s or es. But the first one has an s. Eat is the action word and it's carrying an s. It's a no-no. Okay? But the second, we eat dinner together. We is a plural subject. Eat is a plural verb. It has no s. It is very correct. Thumbs up, friends. Good job. So let's do a recap. A singular subject must go with a singular verb, and for singular verbs you add either an s or es. Good job. While our plural subject must go with a plural verb, and for plural verbs you do not add s or es. It's a no. So we've come to the end of this video lesson. I would love you to try out these activities, okay? Rewrite each sentence correctly. So Miss Ngozi wrote the sentence the wrong way. I want you to identify the mistake and rewrite the sentence correctly. See you in my next video class. Bye-bye.